Brace yourself, because this is probably going to be a little too honest. You cannot build a life of plenty when you're rehearsing the language of not enough. If you keep telling the universe you're broke, the universe has no choice but to agree with you. I hear it every single day. I don't have the money. I'm broke. I can't justify spending money for a yoga class. Blah, blah, blah. But it goes deeper than your bank statement. It's that desperate feeling of clutching every dollar with white knuckles. It's that hopeless cloud that follows you when the bills arrive. And worst of all, it's the whisper deep down inside that's telling you that you're unworthy of the life that you actually want. In this state, your nervous system is in what we call survival mode. You aren't just missing money, you're literally blocked from the frequency required to receive it. Now, here's the solution. Consistency is the golden key to unlock all that block, to remove that block, and literally reprogram your energy, your thoughts, everything in order for you to attract the life that you want and be successful in the life that is your dream and in your vision. Because abundance isn't a destination, it's a frequency, and you have to tune into it every single day. It's really important for you to understand that you cannot think your way out of a poverty mindset. You have to shake it out of your cells. You have to energetically remove it out of your cells. And this is where the beauty of Kundalini Yoga really lies and works, which is why consistency is everything. And you wouldn't expect to stay fit by going to the gym just once a year, or you can't expect an abundant life by only practicing when you feel good. At the Mataji Sanctuary, we use Kundalini technology, Kundalini Yoga, meditation, mantra, movement, breath, very, very specific key practices so that you break those patterns of unworthiness, and you break them pretty immediately, and then you start to rebuild, and consistency rebuilds it that much faster. By showing up every week, you're going to retrain your brain, you're going to retrain your energy to stop vibrating at desperation and start vibrating at opportunity. So I'm going to share with you a true story of one of the students that's been coming here for quite a while now, and she started out as being very, very restrained and is now incredibly radiant. Let's just call her Juno. So 6 months ago, she was totally stuck in this loop that I just described to you. It's like a case study. She spoke from a place, she existed from a place of deep desperation, focusing on her problems instead of her potential. Always complaining, not even realizing she was complaining, but just always in the I just can't, and why is this happening to me? She felt unworthy of dreaming bigger because she was so restrained by her self-created reality. So we didn't do anything magic, got her to commit to a weekly practice. We use the breath, we use the mantra, we use the Kriya movement, we use this beautiful technology that's all within Kundalini Yoga. It's this incredible formula for abundance and prosperity to clear the subconscious junk that told her she wasn't enough. And the transformation was insane. In 90 days, she was a completely different person. So she didn't just find more money, which definitely happened. She got a better job. She really started to move her life into a much smoother flow, all in all. But she found herself. She created herself, recreated herself from feeling lost to really, truly being and feeling radiant and therefore truly abundant. Because she changed her frequency. Her life had no choice but to follow suit. So here's my invitation. Create an accessible practice, which I've been working on for years. I've been at this this business of yoga and offering as a professional teacher of yoga for over 20 years. I know when you're feeling broke that the last thing you want to hear is that you need to spend money to fix it. But that's why the weekly classes that I offer here at the Mataji Sanctuary are intentionally priced to be incredibly affordable. Healing shouldn't be thought of as a luxury. Healing is your divine responsibility. This is all part of self-care, yeah? It's a necessity for your soul, especially during these times. So just come as you are. Whether you feel desperate, you're stuck, or maybe you're just simply ready for a change. Let's do the work together, because it's always a group effort. It's always standing side by side. It's never just doing the work alone. I'm right beside you, because there's some days that I have not great days either. Some days I'm not in the best mindset either. And I just do my practice and I keep up and I keep going. And somehow it always works out. And I'm very successful in a lot of things that I do and that I offer. And I credit the majority of it to the key components of a consistent practice. So, let's do the work together to move you back into the flow of your own power, because the world needs each and every one of us to be in this place of self-empowerment, self-initiation, self-realization. So check our schedule and join us for our next session. Stop claiming the struggle and start claiming your frequency, because it's all about frequency. It's all about energy. It's all about vibration. Comment practice below, and I'll send you the link to our schedule and our special accessible pricing.